Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. We have a little bit different video planned today. I want to talk about a giveaway that Creative Fabrica will be sponsoring for our channel. I'm super excited about this. One lucky audience member is going to win a Cricut Explore Air. I'm going to tell you how you can win later on in the video, but first I want to talk to you guys about Creative Fabrica's $1 deal. Now, some of you, if you're part of the Flynn Sisters community group, have seen me posting about this a couple times, all right? So what you get for $1 with creativefabrica.com is unlimited graphic design resources. So all of your cut files, SVGs, fonts, clip art, so many resources. They have over 1 million design resources on their website that you will have access to for just $1 for your first month and $19 a month for every month thereafter. It'll automatically renew. And again, that's unlimited access to these resources. Thousands of fonts, hundreds and thousands of clip art images. One of the best parts about Creative Fabrica's design resources is they all come with commercial use licenses. So that means you can make tumblers and projects and mugs, whatever it is that you like to create with these images, with these cut files, with these fonts, and you have commercial license to then sell those items. So that is really fantastic. If you've ever had to purchase graphic designs before, you know that the commercial licenses to resell images with those designs can get a little bit spendy. So this is a great deal, and you guys, there's no commitment. You can cancel anytime. So if at the $1 sign up fee for that first month you decide it's not for you, you can back out at any time. And I'm going to have a link to sign up down below in the description box. Now, how do you sign up for the giveaway? How do we win the Cricut, Jessica? Well, it's super simple. I'm going to have directions all down in the description box. If you don't know how to find the description box, if you're on your mobile device, just click on the title down below this video. Or if you are on your computer, just click show more, I think it is, right under this video, and that will expand the description box and you'll see instructions on how you can sign up for the giveaway. It's really simple. You're just going to click the link in the description box. It's going to take you to a free image to download. You're going to download that free image. Then you're going to leave a review on that free image telling Creative Fabrica what you would want to do with that free image, okay? And then you're going to want to come back to this video and leave a comment letting me know that you've completed all those steps, and write a little positive comment about the channel while you're there, all right? And of course, you have to be a Flynn Sisters Boutique subscriber, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to win. We're going to be picking a winner in 1 week. So next Wednesday on the 30th, I will be hopping on the channel here, same place, same time, to announce our winner. And this is international, okay? So wherever you are, you can sign up for this giveaway. All right, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Creative Fabrica, for sponsoring our channel. Thank you so much for sponsoring this giveaway and hooking us up with this fantastic $1 sign up deal for the unlimited membership. You guys, again, click down below in that description box to see all the details of the giveaway, see all the details of what's included with that $1 membership. I know you're gonna love it. So many great resources, so many fonts, so many cut files, so many clip art designs. It's a one-stop shop for all of the designs you could want for your projects with your tumblers, with your mugs, with your screen print, whatever it is that you guys like to do, okay? I know you're gonna find something that you like there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hop on this giveaway, look in the description box on how you can sign up, and I can't wait to pick a winner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you Saturday for our regularly scheduled content.
If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.